Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the vitamin C from INKEYLIST. This one is for people with oily skin, combination skin, or normal skin. It is not for people with sensitive skin. I'll tell you why. And this is a 30% L-ASCORBIC vitamin C, so it is quite a strong one. You know, it's not for the faint-hearted, to be honest. I'm going to tell you why I said so. So basically, this is a serum and it can be used in daytime or at nighttime, but preferably in the daytime because they have a way of protecting the skin in conjunction with SPF, so they help to fight free radicals. So generally, this vitamin C helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps to fight free radicals, which are the things that cause us to age really quickly, and this is also very good for skin brightening. I bought this a couple of weeks ago from Boots, and I have been able to, to be honest, I've been using this consistently every single day. Yeah, there's a few days I did not use this because my skin was a bit too, on the days that my skin was maybe a bit too sensitive or whatever, I just needed to focus on my barrier. Anyway, so this comes in 30 ml and it says in front of it that it helps to brighten the skin. So I'm going to tell you my experience with this product. Oh my goodness, I have tried the INKEYLIST with, is it the EGF one, which is, I think it has 15 or 10% vitamin C, which is still good. But this one, I saw it was like 30%. I'm like, interesting. I'm like curious to try it out. And when I put this on my skin, like after cleansing my face and everything, then I put this on my skin. The way it stung me, like it was so prickly, I'm not gonna lie, but it didn't last for so long. I mean, if it lasted for a while, I would have washed it off, because any product you're using on your skin and you find out that it's stinging and it's really burning, don't leave such products on your skin. But if it has that tingling sensation and a short while it subsides, then fine. And I remember seeing on the pack that if you find it too irritating, you can mix this with your hyaluronic acid to reduce the irritation. That's what I did next time I tried to use it. I mixed it with my hyaluronic acid, but this thing was still, very strong. But I was like, okay, you know what, I gave this to my sister to use. I was expecting her to say, that it was very harsh, but she was like, it didn't really sting her as much. I'm like, okay, but I've always known that my skin is quite sensitive. So the way I use this is that I always dilute this. It always has that tingling sensation, which is not for the faint-hearted. If you've got sensitive skin or irritated skin, don't even go close to this product. It's better you go for the EGF one. There's another vitamin C which is from INKEYLIST that you can go for, and that one is not bad at all. I've used it, tested and trusted. That one is lighter in consistency and everything. This one is, I wouldn't say it's creamy, it looks whitish, it's pasty, but when I apply it on the skin, it looks as if it feels like I've applied like sort of a mattifier. It kills the shine on my skin, I mean just for the moment, and it feels, I wouldn't say silly, it just feels as if I've applied a mattifying primer on my skin with the tingling sensation. So I have been using this consistently because my face is loving it. Even as much as it tingles, my face still likes it. But like I said, I now dilute it with hyaluronic acid, so it's much better. It's not as bad. If you want to start with vitamin C and you're considering using this one for starters, my sister, my brother, do not reach for this. This is for very powerful people. Unless your skin is, rugged, your skin can handle it, then by all means you can grab this. Otherwise, like I said, start with the gentler one, then you proceed, you can increase. And that it's 30% does not mean that if you use the one of 10% or 15%, you will still get results. Having a higher percentage does not equate that it's going to be as effective or is going to be less effective. So you always have to go with what works for you, what is suitable for you. If you already have this and you've tried it and you find out that it's irritating your skin, what you have to do is to dilute it with your hyaluronic acid. That will really help out. You could use this in the daytime or at nighttime, and then what you want to do, the steps you want to follow to use this is to cleanse your face with your cleanse of your choice. Then you can use a toner if you have a toner. Otherwise, if you have hyaluronic acid, you can apply your hyaluronic acid, then you follow up with this, then with this your vitamin C, then you moisturize your face, and then end with an SPF in the daytime. Then at nighttime, what you want to do is to cleanse, tone, use this, and then your moisturizer, and that's it. But if you want to keep it very simple, what you want to do is to cleanse your face, then you follow up with this, and then you apply a moisturizer and SPF. Remember that your SPF is only to be used in the daytime, not at nighttime. So basically, I just looked at the packet now. They said it's used as a targeted treatment on stubborn spots as well. So you can use this on stubborn spots as well. So, and there's a warning here that says it's for external use only, and if a slight tingling sensation occurs, mix with 1 to 2 drops of hyaluronic acid serum. If irritation persists, discontinue use. So, would I be repurchasing this vitamin C? Absolutely yes. When I exhaust it, I will repurchase it. And I think I bought it. I think I bought it around £8 or £9. It wasn't up to £10, so it's very affordable. So to be honest, personally, I'm absolutely loving it. But if you haven't tried this before and if you've got sensitive skin, proceed with caution, proceed with care. This might not just be the right vitamin C for you. I will do a demo on this product. Yeah, so look out for it. So I'll show you how to use it. Basically, I'll do a video on how to use this product, the steps to take and all that, and then you see everything about it, the consistency, and I'll talk more on it, and you'll see, you know, the way it looks on my skin and everything. So with all that being said, I have come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel. So I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.